In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain how to do the initial setup in SheetCAM. So for instance, if you had some kind of computer glitch or lost SheetCAM somehow, after you reinstall SheetCAM, this is what you'll do. First thing we're going to do after installing SheetCAM is go to Options. We're going to go to Job Options and set up our jobs. So for the size of your under Job Options, you're just going to put in the size of your table or the size of the material that you're cutting. So my table is a 4 foot by 8 foot table. So I'm going to 48 inches wide, 96 inches long. Thickness of the material really doesn't matter. The rapid clearance, it's good to have a 2-inch or above rapid clearance in case when you're cutting a part doesn't fall all the way through and it's actually sticking up when your machine comes to rapid traverse to the next part. You don't want your torch head to hang up on the material that has popped up. Okay, and that is your material setup, which is probably the only thing under job options you'll need to set up. Okay, we're going to go back to options and we're going to go set up our machine. Machine type. When you first install SheetCAM, it's going to look like this. Rotary cutting is going to be selected and jet cutting will be unselected. We're actually going to swap that. We're going to unselect rotary cutting and select jet cutting. We're going to go to the post processor tab, and our file units will have selected inches, and our post processor is going to be MP1000 THC. To select that, you're just simply going to click the drop down box and look for MP1000 THC. Okay, now your working envelope. This is where you'll put in the size of your table. Like I said, my table is a 4 foot by 8 foot table. Table display, you can see it's the same exact thing. So you'll just enter 48 by 96 in both of those. Click OK. Now your machine and your job has been set up. After reinstalling SheetCAM, you'll have to install your license file. You simply go to the help icon or button and go down install license file, and you will install the license file that is on your EasyRouter setup disk. After you have installed the license, to check and make sure that the license was correctly installed, just go to About, and here under Register To should have your company name and your license ID.